answering your questions about these shoes from the video that I made for Michaela about her wedding shoes. And I'm gonna show them walking on hardwood floors like you requested. So a lot of you commented that Michaela is looking for closed-toed shoes. They come in multiple styles, including ones that are closed-toed, and they come in different materials. So if you weren't a fan of the patent leather or the bow, I assure you there are lots of different styles on their website. There's a link in my bio so that you can check out all the style of these shoes that are available. A few of you also wanted to see this with the glittered heels. This was a great idea and I actually love it. Thank you to the person that left that suggestion and to who suggested the wood with the patent heel. Love it. Very unique. Here is the black with the glittered heel. The glittered heel and the back moment with the X is really cute and they passed the jump test. Here's the black with the flat heel. A lot of you were super interested in how these worked while they were in flats, and it's a little awkward to walk on camera, so just know that I'm a quick walker in normal life, so I tried my best here. Here's the nude patent shoe with the wood block heel. Again, whoever suggested this, bravo to you. I would have never thought to put the wood heel with this patent leather, but I really love it. I think it gives it such a fun, unique look. Here's the neutral patent shoe in a flat. The request I got most from you was to walk in these patent leather shoes. I walk pretty quick, but hopefully this will help so you can see how they sit. If you have any more questions, drop them in my comments. I will try my best to respond with videos so that you can see the answer that you're looking for. I hope this helps.